What's up guys? Recently Vivo held a conference at which a company executive announced a partnership with Samsung that the Vivo and Samsung will bring a 5G enabled smartphone with Exynos 980 chipset. A usually reliable leakster from China shared more information about the device. It will be called as Vivo X30 and it will arrive as a successor of Vivo X27 and will be introduced in December 2019. The X30 moniker is already trademarked by Vivo and the device will have a notchless screen, meaning the front camera will be hidden in a pop-up mechanism. User tried to guess it will look a lot like the Vivo X27 Pro with triple camera at the rear. Some of the images appears to be a demo room or actual hall Vivo is planning to use for X30 launch. If the phone really arrives with Exynos 980, this means it will have an integrated 5G modem and one version there will be no 4G units. Most of the specs are non-existent at the moment, but at least we have the chipset, revealing the Vivo X30 will have two high-performance CPU Cortex-A77 cores at 2.2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 units for power efficiency. So these are the details we know so far about the Vivo X30 coming this December 2019. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.